everyone, this is Linda from Colourwerx Designs and welcome into the Colourwerx Design House. Welcome back to week number 4, our final week of the Splendor QuiltAlong. This week is all about stitching all of our blocks together to complete our quilt top. By now you should have had all your flowers applique stitched to your background fabrics and then also removed all the stabilizer from the back of those background fabrics. Now we're just going to follow along on page 5 of the Splendor pattern and start to stitch our blocks together to form rows and then rows together to form the quilt top. So let's get started and do that, and I'll see you back in just a minute. And there you go, our quilt top is now complete and ready to do some beautiful machine quilting in all that negative space. This concludes our Splendor QuiltAlong, and we thank you so much for joining us for this. To find out about more QuiltAlongs, please check out our website at Colourwerx.com or our Colourwerx QuiltAlong page on Facebook. Until then, happy quilting everyone, and thank you so much.